How to turn on or turn off call barring for all incoming calls when roaming on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the phone app. Next, tap on the More button and then choose Settings. In Call Settings, we then scroll down and tap on Supplementary Services. Next, tap on Call Barring, and then tap on All Incoming Calls when roaming. Tap on the toggle button to switch on or turn off call barring for all incoming calls when roaming on your Galaxy S26. And that's it. Now, depending on the network provider, you may or may not be able to change this setting. Here you can see it says call barring rejected. That means my service provider does not allow me to make changes to this setting. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.